1 Corinthians 14:2. He that speaketh in an unknown tongue, speak to God. No man understand him, albeit in the spirit, he speak mystery. And that's what I want to tell you now. You know that tongue is a gift from God. A gift of the Spirit of Jah. Come on. Every time I speak in tongues, I'm making sense. To the unlearned mind, it don't make sense. Oh, no. Every time I speak in tongues, I'm making sense to God. Pretty. These are not ordinary words, they are divine. I'm speaking His ways. I'm speaking His ways. I'm speaking His ways. I'm speaking His ways. Oh yeah, no. Every time I prophesy, I'm talking to man. So the unlearned mind can comprehend. Oh yeah, no. Every time I prophesy, I'm talking straight to man. These are the ordinary words, they are divine. I'm speaking comfort. I speak edification. I'm speaking comfort. I speak exhortation. Oh yeah, na. When it comes to edification, I will yield my mind. I will yield my tongue. I will yield my being. When it comes to manifestation, I will yield myself. I will yield myself. I will yield myself. No matter how hard, I'll be bold to do and say. No matter how hard, I'll be bold. I speak and sing. I speak and hear. I speak and I know what the Father wants me to do. I speak and sing. I speak and hear. I speak and I know what the Father wants me to do. Whoa. You know. I'm speaking comfort. I'm making sense. I speak edification. I'm speaking anytime I speak in tongues, I'm making sense. I speak exhortation. Oh yeah, na.
For you, beloved, building yourself up in your most holy faith, praying in the Holy Ghost. For as you pray in the Holy Ghost, your understanding is taken out of the way, and you begin to pray according to the pattern of heaven.